Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In Java tutorial series, we are discussing about the OOPS concept. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about method overloading or the compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism in Java is also known as a static polymorphism or early binding polymorphism. The call to the method is resolved at the compile time. Compile time polymorphism is achieved through method overloading. Method overloading is when a class has multiple methods with the same name, but the number of types and the order of parameters and the return type of the methods are the different. So Java allows the user freedom to use the same name for the various functions as long as it can distinguish between them by the type and the number of parameters. So we can call it as a parameters or the argument. So this occurs when multiple methods in the same class have the same name but different parameters. That is a different number or the type of parameters. So Java compiler determines which method to invoke at the compile time based on the method signature. That is the method name and the parameter list. Okay, so let's see the example. So for that, I will create the new package under the OOPS concept. So new package oops concept dot overloading. So here I will create the two classes. The first where I write actual code with the name A, and the second to do the execution. So in the second class I will create a main method. So I'm creating the class B with the main method. So suppose my class A, here I want to perform the addition operation, and I want to perform the addition operation on the different argument. So for that, what I will do, first let me close all the previous classes that is open to avoid the confusion. Okay, so this is my class C where I will create this method public void sum. Okay, and here I will take the two arguments int a and int b. Okay, and let's do the addition of these two numbers a plus b. Okay, and we are printing this. I can write the same method, but you can see now we are getting the error. Okay, because we cannot write the same method with the same argument. But consider that I am adding one more argument here. In that case, this error will be gone because the number of arguments here are the different. Let's see the case. I want to keep the two arguments only, but the first data type I'm changing it to the float. In that case also this error is gone. The fourth one is I will change the data type of the second argument. In that case also the error is gone. So basically we can write more than one method with the same name but different argument and the different parameters we need to pass. So argument means either number of arguments are different or their data type is different. So in the second method, the number of argument is a 3. In the first method, the number of argument is 2. The third and fourth method where we are using a different data types for the arguments. So this polymorphism, so where we are using the same method in a multiple ways. That's the concept, right? Same name but a different use. So that it's called as a early binding or compile time polymorphism. Suppose I'm writing here one more method, the same method here, void sum, which is throwing me error. Instead of the void, I will write the return type as the integer. Okay, and I will return this a plus b. In that case also, it is throwing me error. Rename method sum, duplicate method. Why? Because return value will not impact the method overloading. So what exactly really matters in the method overloading is the number of argument and the data type of argument. Whatever the return type I'm giving, if it is having the same method name it will give you error. Okay. So return type is not impacted in the method overloading. So we have write the same method, the sum method in a multiple ways. But how will it get executed? So as it is mentioned, the Java compiler determines which method to invoke at the compile time based on the method signature. That is the method name and the parameter list. So let's see how to do the execution for this one. So in the B class, I have already created this main method. So here I will first create the object for the class A. AO is equal to new A. And here I will call my method sum. So now you can see all those four methods are showing here. So suppose I'm calling this int A and int B. Okay. And here I'm providing the value as a same and 2. Okay. And let's run this program. Now you can see we are getting the output as the 12. So in this o.sum, suppose I have added one more one more argument. So we have this method o.sum with the three arguments, integer argument. So let me run this program. We are getting the output as the 17. So that's the way, according to your number of argument and your data type, you can access this different methods from the main classes. So basically, whichever execution you want to do with the different data types or the argument, that value you can provide during the time of the execution. We can achieve the method overloading by writing more than one method with the same name but different parameters or the different data type. So let's call it as a signature, same name but a different signature. Signature means either the number of arguments are different or their data type is different. Polymorphism, it is also called as a static polymorphism or early binding or a compile time polymorphism. And the return type will not be considered during the method overloading. So these are the points you should remember when you are explaining method overloading or implementing this concept in your project. So that's it for the today guys. In the next video, we will see what exactly is the method overriding and how to implement the method overriding in the Java. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.